What is it?
$1. Hi, I'm Parker. Hi. This is PMP Toys and Things. Alien. With 3 eyes.
Okay, keep opening it.
Alien.
Alien number 2?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's alien number 1. Alien number 3. And cord.
Fishing poles?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool. Okay.
And alien number 4.
Alien number 4.
Wow, I'm going fishing. Yeah. Ah!
Pick it up. Look. Okay, now all you have to do is take this off. Okay, now go set it up right over there. Okay, unfold it. Wow.
And inside. Hi. Baby, come inside. Come inside. That's a window.
Look. Paisley, come over here.
You go inside here. You go inside here. This is the thing. Hi. You come inside. You.
Paisley.
Hi.
Hi. Now what we're gonna do is you're gonna be inside that tent and you're gonna fish for those aliens. And the aliens are gonna have surprises on the back. You wanna do that? Okay, Parker, are you ready to catch these aliens? Okay, they all have a different surprise on them.
The egg.
Okay, now, do you wanna set that aside? Now catch number 2. You caught one. Okay, what is it?
Gummy.
Okay, we're gonna open those in a minute. Now catch number 3.
I got one. Now number 4. I got number 4.
What is it?
$1.
$1. Nice. Now come out here and let's open them all up. Do it one more time.
$1.
What are those? A sucker?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, put it in your mouth. Let me see. It's upside down here. Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm. toy inside.
Let's see what it is.
Ah, a vehicle.
Show us. Can you build it?
I think so.
What is it supposed to look like?
Like this. See? Go.
Ooh, yummy.
Bye, shoo. Shoo, shoo. Shoo, shoo. Shoo, shoo. Shoo, shoo.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Thanks for watching. We have another surprise next week. It's another sucker. See?
Let me see. Lips? Maybe Paisley can have that one?
I will sell it.
Should we show him your piggy bank? Okay, run upstairs and grab your piggy bank.
It's up on the closet.
That's on the
Okay.
floor.
Bye.